cordial greeting tutor and companions. My name is Yamile Moreno Talero. I am single and I am 18 years old. I am from Pesca, Boyacá. I am a student and I am studying electronic engineering at UNET. I live in Aquitania and I am free time. I like to read and write. My daily routine is get up for I am halfways. I do my personal hygiene and I fix my hair. And then I prepare breakfast for my family. At breakfast, I usually eat coffee, bread, soup, and fruit. I don't work, but sometimes I help my parents with their agriculture work. I cook my food. I usually for lunch make rice, potatoes, grains, salad, and strawberry juice. I almost never leave my house. After studying, I usually help my younger brothers with their homeworks. I usually have dinner at 7 p.m. and I usually leave in that from 8 to 9 p.m. On weekends, I like to spend time with my family and I always go to mass. When I go out to my town, I like to see the new beauty products that arrive at the store. The typical food in Aquitania is grilled fish. The main celebrations in Aquitania there are the festivities of the 15th of January in honor of our Lord or Miraculous. Religious celebrations such as those of the Virgin del Carmen, that dance to San Pascual Bailón and Jordan celebrations. Thank you.